Go.
Good afternoon, it's Andrew Smith from Royal LePage Kelowna. Welcome to Coffee with Andy. So it's April 1st, Tuesday, April 1st, 2025, which marks the end of the first quarter here in Kelowna real estate. Let's have a quick look at what's going on in our housing market. Active listings, 151 new listings last week. That's a lot. Adding to the pile, we're at a total of 1,626 as of right now. That's a big number. For the week ending Sunday, there were 43 sales, up from 42 the previous week. So the same, more or less, up one, more or less the same. So at the end of the third quarter though, first quarter, sorry, in 2025, we generated 429 sales. Not a great number, but it's really good if you compare it to the first quarter last year of 2024, when we only generated 366 sales. So we went from 366 last year to 429 this year. 429 isn't good, but that's about 18-19% improvement over last year. So we're going to take a win when we get it. Prices are up. The median sale price for the first quarter this year was $990,000 compared to $910,000. Who knows if that'll continue throughout the year? My guess is it probably won't. It's still a relatively small sample size, and when everything's said and done at the end of the year, I don't see prices going up 11% throughout the year. But that's where it is now. Comparing month to month, we had 169 sales this past March compared to 144 last month. So the trend lines continue. It's a little bit upside down when it comes to apartments. Unit sales this year were up 81 for the first quarter last year compared to 92 this year. So that's good. 81 to 92 is certainly a bump. Goodness gracious, we certainly wish all these numbers were higher, but nevertheless, 81 to 92 is still good. Prices, though, on the other hand, went from $438,500 as a median sale price last year down to $414,000 so far this year. So 438 down to 419. That's a drop, and who saw that coming, honestly? But with almost 800 condos on the market, and really with, let's say 90 sales over 3 months, that's 30, that's 7 a week, 8 a week, with, almost 800 people on the market, there's an oversupply right now, and there just aren't that many buyers. I know we haven't seen the out-of-town buyer yet, but for the time being, it looks like there certainly is downward pressure on prices on the condo side of things. We'll certainly monitor that. Good for buyers though, lots of selection all over the place, and it's good for first-time buyers as well. People thinking of getting into the market with interest rates relatively stable, despite all the outside noise that's going on with an election and tariffs. Interest rates are the most important thing to watch, and an indicator of what's going to happen with the housing market. And now that they're relatively stable, I think we're going to see more first-time buyers come into the market. So, but for the time being, yeah, it's been a pretty good week. Lots of condos behind me here. Sorry about all the noise. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys next week.